Hi everyone, today's video is a final roundup of all the different ear tips I reviewed for the Apple AirPods Pro. Full disclosure that all of these were provided to me free of charge in turn for an honest review, however none of these manufacturers are compensating me in any other way, so as always these opinions will be my own and not sponsored in any way. Over the past year I've made 12 videos about 5 different brands of these ear tips, and one of the most common questions I get in the comments is, which ones are the best? Or, what do you think of this one versus that one? So in this video, I'm going to answer these questions by categorizing these products with different awards, and as always, I'll have links down in the video description to all these products that I'm about to discuss. First up is the best budget option, and that goes to the first solution I reviewed, which is buying generic memory foam ear tips and installing them inside of the Apple ear tips. For just $7, this option does require some DIY skills, but if you're short on cash, this option may help improve the seal in your ear for the least amount of money. You also get 2 pairs for each size, making this the best value option. Next up is the best for fitness, and this goes to the ChargeN Pro AirFoams Pro Active. These are a hybrid of both memory foam and silicone, similar to the DIY option I just mentioned, but these are super easy to install and fit in the case without any issues. If you sweat a lot while working out, you may find the AirPods slipping out of your ears. While memory foam ear tips provide a good seal in your ear, the sweat will cause the foam to deteriorate quickly, which will cause frequent replacements necessary. ChargeN Pro solved this by putting the silicone layer on top of the foam, which makes the foam inside protected. These are a little pricey, but it's worth investing in a quality set of ear tips instead of buying multiple ones of lesser quality. And therefore, these make my pick for the best for fitness. If you're in the customization, then this next section is for you. I'm also awarding ChargeN Pro's original AirFoams Pro with Best for Personalization, because these are available in 6 different colors, which is the most I've seen from any other company. Perhaps you mix up your AirPods with your friends or family members because they all look the same, but with 6 different color options, you can customize them with your favorite color, and you also have the benefit of having your AirPods standing out from everyone else's. Now let's say you've tried memory foam and you don't like the feeling in your ear. My recommendation for the best silicone option are the CP1025s from SpinFit. Perhaps this category isn't really fair since SpinFit was the only company I reviewed in this category, but I think their product does have a slightly better fit compared to Apple's silicone ear tips since they're a little bit more grippy and flexible. Okay, so now what if you're looking for a more premium option? Well, the Foamasters 4.0 are a great choice. They're a little more expensive than the other options, but for that, I think you get a very well-engineered product. I've reviewed their 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 versions of their products, and I can say I've seen great improvements in each one of their revisions. This latest 4.0 version also includes a really nice sturdy case, and they are backed by the best warranty and support I've seen. And finally, the last award goes to my personal favorite, which is the best fitting and most comfortable foam. And that goes to the Comply 2.0 ear tips. Now, it goes without saying that Comply's first version of their ear tips for the AirPods Pro was a disaster. They didn't use Apple's clicking mechanism, which led to a lot of issues with installation and removal of the ear tips, and their customer service was also questionable, where some people reported long response times and refusal to get replacements, while on the other hand, some customers were proactively sent emails about the new version, and either received a code to get a free or discounted set of the 2.0 version. Aside from that drama, I have to say the 2.0 version is my personal favorite. I think Comply's foam is the most comfortable. There's just something about the texture of the foam that is soft yet rigid, and it compresses and expands in your ear quickly and silently, unlike the other brands that employ a slow rebounding foam, which makes that static and popping noises while the foam conforms to the inside of your ear. I personally have not had any issues with these, and although I haven't logged excessive months or years worth of use on them yet, I can say they've held up just fine for the time that I have used them, which has been the most frequent out of all of these different ear tips, as they've become my daily driver ever since their release. So that does it for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, you can help support my channel by using the affiliated Amazon links in the video description. Your price stays the same, but a small commission may come back to help support my channel on anything you purchase after clicking any of my links. Of course, each of the products I reviewed today will be in the video description, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. This will likely be my last video I make on ear tip options for the AirPods. However, I'll likely come back with an update once Apple releases their new version of the AirPods, as it will be interesting to see if these third-party options will still fit, or if Apple will make a change to something that will make them all incompatible. In the meantime, I do plan on making some other videos, so make sure you stay subscribed, and if you have any suggestions on future content that you'd like me to see make a video about, please let me know. Thanks for all your support, and with that, I thank you for watching and have a great day.